morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, which a lot of you guys are, I appreciate you guys subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost to 1,000. I never thought 500 would even be possible, but a year later, we're almost to 1,000, and I can't thank you guys enough. I know that isn't a huge number, but it's an accomplishment to me, and I appreciate every one of you guys. But my name is Jordan, like I said, if you guys are new here, and my channel is the GoodLife Outdoorsman. I live in Nebraska, the Good Life, so that's a little backstory why I chose my name, and I do everything outdoors. Today's video, it is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I'm not a father. Happy Father's Day to you guys, and hopefully you guys can get out and do some fishing today, or at least just spend time with family. I got a little family get together in a couple hours. I got a little spot that I'm gonna go hit from the bank that's really fairly close, not really, about a half hour from where I gotta be for my family event. And so I got a little farm pond type thing that I'm gonna go hit up. It's a bank spot. I have never fished it open water. I fished it a lot through the ice, but never open. It's a beautiful morning. I mean, it is 72 degrees. It rained a little bit last night, so it's kind of cool in the air. Overcast all day, so I'm thinking frogs. I'm gonna try to get on a super cool frog bite. I brought way too many rods, like per usual, but I'm only gonna take a few, and I didn't bring much tackle, so I'm almost there. Stay tuned. Let's go catch some fish and enjoy our Sunday. I'll catch you again. Alright guys, just got here. I'm gonna start out with this brand new Z-Man popping frog, all black, and it's perfect. There's a nice weed line. There we go. First one. Not a big one. Actually, not bad. Pretty one. Black popping frog. There he goes. First fish. Started to rain. And that's when a popping frog, I feel like, comes really in handy, is when it's raining like this. They're already hearing the little popping on top of the water. So something with a little more pop and disturbance is going to attract them. Just a baby one. Still, nonetheless, a fish. There we go. That's not a bad one. Heck yeah. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes. Done choked her. Done choked her. Rain just stopped. Oh boy. Oh boy. There we go. There we go. Nice. Not a super giant, but another nice one. Yeah, he wanted it. Wrong way, bud. You gonna make it? No, he didn't make it. There he goes. Figured it out. Good job. Oh, that just gets your blood pumping. The sun's like peeking out now. He looked much bigger when he jumped out of the water. There's like serious thunder going on. Weird weather. The sun's like kind of shining behind me, I think. Weird weather. But the fishing's on. Weird weather, man. I don't know what it does to the fish, but it makes them go crazy. Most of the time. Sometimes it shuts them off. I mean, I'm sure I could be throwing Texas rig or something on the outside of that weed line and do probably much better. Be able to target more fish, but frogging's fun. Dang, now they're blowing up. I didn't hear any blow-ups until just now. That's like the third one. All up in this stuff in the right place. Oh my god, did you guys see that? He came airborne for that. Oh my gosh. That was so sick. So sweet. Oh, get out of there, boy. That's a good one. Heck yes. Oh, I hope you guys seen that. That boy came out of the water for it. So sweet. And that's down in there. I'm sorry, bud. There we go. Another one. He's not a super giant, but that's the biggest one of the day. I'm gonna say she's post spawn because she's got a big head, but she's pretty skinny. Oh, that was so sweet. There she goes. Oh, yes. Let's try something different for a second. I got a football jig tied on. Just thought I'd toss it out and see. I think I already got one. I had one. Dude, what? He literally jacked my plastic. The whole thing off of there. How's that even possible? What? Don't get that at all. Or you just gonna tie a Texas rig on. What? Just jacked the prawn right off of it. He picked it up instantly. I'm confused slightly. It started swimming, like it got hit instant, so I just didn't even realize it got hit. Started swimming all the way over there, hook set comes completely off. Yeah, another one. What the hell? Definitely something picking it up. The plastic got straight ripped right off of it. That never had that happen. I mean, maybe seen it get torn or something, but let's see here. Keep my finger on the line. Good. Spillway. That ain't a bad one. That ain't a bad one. Instant. So I bet I could have a freaking heyday out here if I had the time. But this is quality fish. It was probably 14, 15 inches. Not a bad one at all. Oh, sorry, buddy. Wrong way. Go the other way. Good job. There you go. Let's see if we can catch one more on the worm. And then try frogging again. It's starting to rain again. And time's flying by. I only have like an hour and a half. Or half hour left. Sorry. But I think we've caught 6 fish. 6 or something like that. And missed a couple. It's not bad. Alright. Let's try this again. It was like instant too. I'm like, alright. Missed a couple. I always keep my finger on the line, so as it's falling, if there's any, just the slightest difference. There we go. Not a big one at all. Actually, the babiest one we've caught today, but still a fish. Give him a little chuckaroo out there. Alright, one more because that was pathetic. As I was saying, I always keep my finger on the line. So if it's falling and you even feel the lightest of a tick, came off. Like I'm doing, it's what is happening while I'm talking to you guys. That's just my way of telling. I love to just keep my finger on the line, and that just helps me. It's like a bite indicator basically. And if you have a really sensitive rod, or if you're using fluorocarbon and a tungsten, all those things put together, you're gonna feel just the fish pick it up as it's falling. Just the slightest bite possible. Yeah, I got a little close that time. If you don't already do it, just next time you go out, try to just keep your finger on the line. Throwing outside weed lines or such, you'll be a huge difference on how many fish you end up getting. And this isn't even my normal Texas rig rod. I just I grabbed my swim jig rod. It's got 18-pound fluorocarbon on it, just because I knew there is these lily pads out here, and I wanted a little bit of thicker line for this. They're definitely hungry this morning. It's 11:20. Yeah, like 20 minutes. Y'all, if you can get your hands on these Mag Fatty Z worms from Z-Man, they're a 7.5-inch worm in the plum color. It's my favorite color to use in the summer. I don't know why. It works great in the summer after spawn, so post spawn. I don't know why, but it's a great color. That long, slender style worm works really well too. I've been doing really good with it, dragging it, pegged, non-pegged, outside weed lines, next to trees, rocks. It's just been working really, really well for me. they're picking it up and just straight swimming with it. Come on, get out of there. There we go. Another one. Not a giant. It's still fun. I wish I could just sit here and rip some lips all day. Oh, this is a blast. I might even come back this evening. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, yeah, 20 minutes. Let's grab that frog back out. See what we can do. Alright, we got about 10 minutes. Let's get like 1 or 2 more fish. And skedaddle on out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't do much bank fishing just because I have a boat. And mainly because I hate walking through tall weeds and dealing with it. And you just don't have the access you do on a boat. And if I have a boat, I'm going to use it. But places like this, like farm ponds that aren't surrounded by a ton of trees and super tall grass, I don't mind. I sound like a little girl, but oh, I don't really care. I just don't like bank fishing that much. If I had longer time, I probably would have brought my kayak out here, but we didn't. Either way, I had a blast. Catch a fish. That's the number one thing. And it was a topwater bite. Nothing beats a topwater bite. Even though I do love hook setting into a bass on Texas rig. I just like fishing. Not many styles of fishing I don't like. Just fell on her ass. You know, with it being super overcast, that black frog is just gonna cast a shadow, and that's what they obviously wanted. I don't got much more time. I got like 5 minutes, but we're just gonna try and catch one more. But definitely go pick up these Z-Man frogs. If you guys haven't seen them or used them, they just came out with a whole lineup of colors. And I've been using them the past 3 days, this one in particular, and it's incredible. I've maybe lost two fish, and that's user error, or it just didn't even get it. You can pick them up at Dick's only, or order them online, but I don't really know anywhere else that carries them besides Dick's. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had an absolute blast, and it was fun. I had a blast doing it. Whenever I can get on a straight frog bite, that's just an incredible time. And to see fish come freaking airborne out of the water is just, it gets your heart pumping. And if you're a fisherman, you obviously know these things. So I'm glad I could get out a couple hours this morning, and before I had to go with family and stuff, and enjoy just an absolute beautiful, peaceful morning. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new here, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you all that have watched this video and are subscribed. I really appreciate it. Plenty more videos to come here in the near future. I'm not sure when you guys are going to see this one, but I might have a couple out before that. But I'm working hard, trying to get videos when I can. Weather has just been so up and down here in Nebraska, so it's been making it tough, but that's not really too much of an excuse. But I'm going to quit yapping, and hope you guys had a great Father's Day. See you next time.